The new HSA 30 and HSA 40 are the latest additions to STIHL's AS System range of tools. These hedge trimmers are perfect for smaller hedge maintenance jobs around the garden, such as trimming box hedges and maintaining annual growth. Both hedge trimmers are extremely lightweight, weighing 2.4 and 2.5 kilograms respectively, when powered by the 10.8 volt AS2 battery. They have great balance, which makes for effortless work, plus the battery can be removed and used in any other machine in the AS System range. The AS2 battery can be charged to full power in just 70 minutes using the AL1 charger, and you can check the charge status of the battery during use by pressing the indicator button on the side of a hedge trimmer. The HSA 30 is fitted with a 45cm double-sided single-edged cutting blade, whereas the HSA 40 has a 50cm double-sided single-edged cutting blade, plus an additional 25% power. Both hedge trimmers have a cutting capacity of 8mm, and on a full charge you'll be able to trim for up to 50 minutes with the HSA 30 and for up to 40 minutes with the HSA 40. To use the hedge trimmers, simply push down on the safety trigger on the grip with your palm, then grip the loop handle and pull the operating trigger under the grip and you're ready to go. Please make sure to always check for wildlife before starting work with any hedge trimmers, particularly birds during nesting season. Additional features of the hedge trimmers include a tip protector and laser-cut diamond ground hardened blades, both of which come as standard with the two models. What's more, the HSA 30 and 40 have a hanging eyelet, so you can mount them in your shed or garage for space-saving storage. When using the hedge trimmer, we recommend wearing goggles, gloves and sturdy boots. No ear protection is required when using the tool as it's so quiet. Some additional accessories available for the hedge trimmers include Superclean resin spray, which helps remove sap after use and keeps the blades lubricated. We recommend spraying this on the hedge trimmer blades after each use to make sure they work smoothly and efficiently when you next go to use it. There's also the Smart Connector, which records working time and recommends servicing tasks based on this in the handy STIHL connected app. To find out more about the HSA 30 and HSA 40 hedge trimmers, visit stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.